Well, I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. That little laugh there is for one of my followers. He chimed in one evening and said, "Hey, bro, stand back off that camera." He sounded a little agitated in the reading. So, here's to you. I'm back. Back enough? All right. Anyway, I'm going to take some leftover from the famous Mamoun in New York City. Lamb over some vegetables and falafel here. And add some crab meat to it. Kind of sear it in the pan. Yeah, once in the, restaurant. So I'm gonna throw that in. Here you see these. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, what am I searing those onions in? Coconut oil. It'll get them really quick because the coconut oil has a low tolerance for the heat. So I would normally put that in there, but I'm not trying to burn anything and I'm not trying to use a lot of oil anyway. So there it is. No duck grease though, but that's it in the background. Let the crab house know there's crab up in this stir fry. Rice, chopped up lamb, added some onions, garlic. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Then stirred it up. I bet you when the firemen come. They missed the meat falling off the bone, but here it is. Right here. And that's what the plate looks like.